Hey guys, I recently got a new handbag. It literally just came in the mail, so let's unbox it together. And I want to share my thoughts with you guys. So, this is the Cargo 26 Coach Shearling Tote Bag. And I got it from Shopbop. And yeah, before you come for me and say I've been buying a lot of handbags recently, to be fair, I had been eyeing this for a while. Like, I just thought it would make the perfect winter handbag. But I finally saw that it was slightly discounted and I decided to jump at the opportunity to buy it. So I don't know if that makes things better, but that's just a little bit more context and background why I got another handbag. And before I jump into the unboxing review, let me show you my other handbags and you can tell me if you see a pattern. This is my Marc Jacobs Teddy tote bag. This is my Marc Jacobs small leather tote bag. So as you can tell, this is like the same form factor, and I think it just works really well as like a functional work bag / going out bag because I just think it's a perfect size. I love the versatility of the crossbody, and yeah, that's essentially, I guess, I like this cargo tote bag form factor, I suppose. And okay, so I'm just going to take it out of the bag. So I think what initially attracted me also to this bag is obviously how fuzzy. I love the shearling material. It just screams cozy winter vibes, which I think is like my aesthetic personally. And I just think like the shearling material makes it look so luxurious. I don't know. But anyways, I do feel like one thing I'm scared about is the white color, and I'm a little bit scared of this fuzzy material and just like getting it dirty. I have no idea how to maintain it, how to clean it. I guess my strategy is to pick days where it's not raining, where the weather is nice, where I don't foresee myself going for, I don't know, some messy lunch that could potentially stain this. That's kind of like my strategy at the moment. But if you guys have better tips on how to keep and maintain this type of material, this color purse, definitely let me know. That's like the only thing that kind of scares me about it. Just like walking on eggshells and being scared to stain it. But other than that, yeah, I love the stitching material in the front. I love the gold tone hardware they have. I think it's like a turn lock type enclosure in the front, so there's like a pocket in the front. There's also, let me take out the packaging, there's also another pocket in the back with like this snap enclosure in the back, and then it has this, so there's a duster bag, of course, and then inside is quite roomy, so it's about the same size as a Marc Jacobs one, and then it doesn't have any organizational pockets though, so that kind of is annoying, but it's not a deal breaker for me. But it does have this top zipper enclosure, which I love because it just makes me feel like just like adds more security that all my items aren't going to fall out. So that's in a nutshell what this looks like. And then in the bag, it did come with a strap. So let me go ahead and take out the strap. We can look at it together. Might fast forward this part if it takes me a long time. Oh, actually, that wasn't that bad. So actually, I saw some people having negative feedback about the strap. I think they just said it didn't go with the rest of the purse and it looked kind of cheap. But you know what? I'm actually okay with it. It doesn't really bother me. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook on the straps. I'll do a little try on for you guys, and I will also show you what fits in here. Okay, so this is with the strap on. I'll be honest with you guys. I know you don't have to necessarily like wear it as a crossbody. I know you can like hold the top handles, but I like the crossbody. I think it's just way more versatile and way more convenient to carry around. So personally, even with my Marc Jacobs tote bag, I'm always using the crossbody. Okay, so now let's do what fits in here. Okay, so I have all of my work items in the other bag, so I'm just going to transfer them over. So first off, got my badge. Oh, I could actually use one of the front pockets. I'll probably use one of the front pockets. Just stuff that in. Got my pills. I think I mentioned that before, but just in case, you know, you never know when you're going to have a headache or tummy ache. Got my sunglasses. Got a compact mirror. Maybe I'll put that in the front. Okay, got my lip gloss, some floss, got my breath mints. Guess I'll put that in the main compartment. Got my wallet. It's also a Coach bag. Got a pen. Yeah, I can put that in here. I also have my phone, so I'm going to put that in here. So yeah, everything comfortably fits. Maybe I'll put in the back pocket. But yeah, everything comfortably fits, I will say. And if you want to like snap, you can also close the front and the back if you want added security. Okay, and then button the back. Okay, so yeah, everything fits in here. It's about, I would say, I feel like the Marc Jacobs tote bag I have is slightly roomier. I think when I did like cross comparison of the size, it was slightly bigger. But yeah, everything comfortably fits in here. And also do a try on just to show you guys what it looks like on. So I'll be right back.